India and Singapore will of course get the majority of the focus, but we are also looking to invest in countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and we're actively exploring investments in these geographies. So we will invest based on the opportunities that come. I will say if you look at the last few investments we made, a lot of them have been from India. In fact, in 2017 alone, we completed 4 investments in India, and we're on the verge of completing the 5th as well. So we have been very active here, and all these investments in this calendar year have all come from this fund, because we did a first close in November last year and have started investing in the fund since then. We are looking at a couple of different strategies for India. One is what we call the enterprise strategy, where we are looking to identify technology companies that have been founded in India but are really built for global markets. So if you look at a couple of examples of investments we've recently done, companies like Flutura, which is an industrial IoT analytics company, CloudCherry, which is a SaaS software company, SaaS for customer experience management, and Ace Turtle, which is omni-channel order management for offline brands. All those all fall into this bucket that we call enterprise, and all those companies may have started originally in India. Their original customer base may be in India, but now they're very much global companies and getting a global revenue stream. Now, the second bucket of companies we are investing in are the India consumption story companies, and companies like HouseChoy, for example, which we did from the previous fund, is targeted towards that. Now, the criteria for these two different strategies are very different. So whereas the enterprise strategy, we're really looking to see how big is the global market, can the founders, do they have the capability to go and sell outside India and go after large corporates globally. But in the consumer strategy, we're very much looking at unit economics, and those are namely what is your cost of customer acquisition, what is the lifetime value of your customer, what repeats do you get from the customer, and how much money basically are you going to make on a customer. So if you look at, in the case of HouseChoy, for example, their gross margins are in the 30 to 40% range. The average customer repeats about 4 to 5 times a year, because the customer might want to order a beauty service one month, they might want to order home cleaning the next month, they may want pest control the month after, they may want appliance repair the following month. So those are the sort of companies that we look for in the Indian consumer space.